It's time to define the different elements. And it's very important to know that you shouldn't be concentrating all the elements on one side. So if you've got 5 landmarks that are located next to each other, so let's say that this is 1, and if there would be 3 more, you can see that it would look quite boring because everything is located, concentrated on this side, while on the other side there's nothing else to see. So make sure that all the landmarks are spread, or that you only use the ones that are mostly interesting to see or most important. So you should make a list, and a way by making a list is by going to Google, type in the city that you want to make the map out of, go to images, and take a look at the pictures that people have made. As you can see in my case, a lot of people have made pictures of the cathedral. So what I'm going to do is definitely putting this on my list, because when people see my map, they will immediately recognize the cathedral and they will know that it's this city. Another way of getting more information is by going to TripAdvisor, things to do, and I'm going to type in Cadiz. And here on the left side, you can see sites and landmarks. And here you've got a whole list of different landmarks that you can use for your map. The only thing is that make sure, again, that not everything is located next to each other. Make sure that everything is widely spread, and when you've got an idea of what you would like to make or what you would like to use, again, go to Google and type in, for example, in my case it's Cadiz, but the cathedral, and try to get a picture from the front and collect all the pictures of all the landmarks that you would like to use, but best is from the front. So if I'm going to make a small cathedral, I would probably use this picture, it's actually quite small, or this, to get a general idea of how the cathedral looks like. In this case, I'm going to use nope. I'm going to use this picture. I'm going to save images. It's a front view, but you can see that it's a bit distorted. I'm going to save another picture. This one as reference. So you want to do this with every single landmark that you would like to use, and in my case those are going to be maybe 10 that are very important. And continue doing this because later on we need the pictures for making the elements.